Hello guys, I came across this site that claims to pay you when you perform tax on their website. Now if you look at this, if you subscribe to this channel, you get $0.5. If you look at this, Fiverr search and like $0.2, 0.43. There are a lot of tax here. There are just a lot of tax here on this website. And if you come over here, you can filter the payment. You can filter the payment here. Let's say I want to perform tax that will pay me let's say $0.4 upward. So you see, I've filtered that. Now you should also take note that some of these tax are restricted to some countries. So you see here, it's only those that lives in the United States of America that can perform this tax. So what you are going to do to see all the tax that you are eligible for is for you to come over here, click on target workers, then come over to where you have international. You click on international, and then you can just come over here and then select payment, so that you will see all the tax that you can do from any part of the world. So you see here, you have this for 0.43. There are a lot of them here. Now, for you to receive payment on this platform, you need to get a PayPal account. So before I will go ahead and show you how you can sign up in this platform, I'm going to guide you on how to get a PayPal account. So let's come over here. PayPal. I'm just going to guide you on how you can get a PayPal account. When you come to this home page, what you are going to do, you come over to where you have sign up. So you are going to input your email address here. Once that is done, you're going to select personal account, not business. I have an account with PayPal already, that's why I don't want to sign up. So once you input your email address here, you click on next. It will take you to a page where you can select either personal or business. So you select personal and complete the sign up. So once that is done, you come over to this site and then sign up. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this website. So the name of the website is rapidworkers.com. So let me show you how you can sign up. So I will just close this tab and then come over here, Rapid Workers. Let me log out because I'm already logged in. So once you come over to this site, you scroll down to where you have be a part of Rapid now. You click on it. So you come over here, you input your name, your email address, your password, you select your country, and then you tick this box, I'm not a robot, and then you agree to all their terms and conditions. You create an account. Let me log into my account. Let me show you how you can place withdrawal on this website. So if you want to withdraw money on this website, you can just come over here and click on withdraw. You see what you need to do to withdraw money here. So you see, for a withdrawal, send to admin@rapidworkers.com your email on the site, and then the email that you use to create your PayPal account, then the IP address under the last login. Let me show you. Look at here. This is the IP address. So if I want to place withdrawal now, this is the IP address I'm going to copy. Take note, once you log in, this IP address changes. So the minimum withdrawal is $8. So guys, go ahead and try to perform tax on this site. I've not tried performing any tax yet on this website. Try performing tax on this website. Let's see if they actually pays. So I saw this website and I decided to share it with you guys. I've not tried doing anything yet. So try to perform tax. When it gets to like $8, then try to place withdrawal. Let me know your experience in the comment section of this video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.